Emerging from the depths of time, lemurs, with their inquisitive eyes, agile limbs, and captivating charm, have long held a special place in human imagination. These remarkable primates, native to the island of Madagascar, have evolved a unique set of adaptations that allow them to thrive in their diverse habitats, from lush rainforests to arid spiny forests. From the tiny dwarf lemur to the majestic indri, lemurs exhibit a remarkable range of forms and behaviors. Beneath the lemur's endearing exterior lies a complex and sophisticated body plan, meticulously crafted for survival and adaptation. Their slender bodies and agile limbs, powered by strong muscles and flexible joints, enable them to navigate their arboreal habitats with impressive grace. Their long, prehensile tails, often adorned with bushy tufts, serve as balancing aids, rudders for steering through the treetops, and even extra storage for fat. Lemurs possess large, inquisitive eyes, well suited for their nocturnal or diurnal lifestyles. Their keen eyesight, enhanced by a reflective layer called the tapetum lucidum, allows them to see in low-light conditions, essential for navigating the forest canopy at night, or in the dappled sunlight of the forest floor. Lemurs' hands and feet are specially adapted for their arboreal lifestyle. Their fingers and toes, elongated and tipped with flattened nails, provide excellent grip on branches and leaves. Opposable thumbs on their hands allow them to grasp objects with remarkable dexterity, a trait that has facilitated their use of tools for foraging and grooming. Lemurs are renowned for their leaping abilities, a consequence of their powerful hind limbs and unique skeletal structure. The long bones of their hind legs, coupled with strong muscles and tendons, enable them to generate explosive force, propelling them through the air with impressive agility. This adaptation allows lemurs to escape predators, capture prey, and navigate their complex arboreal habitats with ease. Lemurs are also adept climbers, their agile limbs and flexible joints allowing them to scale trees with remarkable speed and efficiency. Their long, prehensile tails provide additional support and balance as they maneuver through the branches. This ability to climb trees is essential for accessing food, shelter, and nesting sites. Lemurs exhibit a diverse range of diets, reflecting their varied habitats and adaptations. Some species, such as the common brown lemur, are omnivores, consuming a mix of fruits, leaves, insects, and even small vertebrates. Others, such as the fork-marked lemur, are specialized frugivores, relying primarily on fruits for sustenance. Still others, like the ai, have evolved unique dietary specializations, using their long middle fingers to extract grubs from trees. Lemurs play an important role in dispersing seeds, their consumption of fruits leading to the deposition of seeds throughout the forest. This seed dispersal helps to maintain the diversity and regeneration of Madagascar's plant life. Lemurs reproduce seasonally, with breeding patterns often linked to fruit availability. Males compete for mates, using vocalizations, scent marking, and displays to attract females. Once a pair has bonded, they mate, and the female undergoes a gestation period of several months. Lemurs typically give birth to a single offspring, or occasionally twins. The newborn lemur, known as a kit, is born with its eyes open and is able to walk within a few days. The mother provides intensive care for her offspring, carrying it on her back and teaching it essential survival skills. As kits grow, they become more independent, gradually weaning from their mother's milk and venturing out on their own to explore their surroundings. They reach sexual maturity at around 2 to 4 years of age and can live for 20 to 30 years in the wild. Lemurs, despite their adaptations and defenses, are not immune to the dangers of the natural world. A diverse array of predators, including phossicats, snakes, and raptors, prey on lemurs. Habitat loss and fragmentation due to human activities also pose a significant threat to lemur populations. This constant pressure from predators and habitat loss plays a vital role in maintaining ecological balance, ensuring that no single species dominates the ecosystem. Lemurs are considered ecological indicators, their presence or absence signaling the overall health of their environment. They are particularly sensitive to habitat loss and fragmentation, making them valuable indicators of the impact of human activities on Madagascar's ecosystems. Monitoring lemur populations can provide valuable insights into the health of forests, wetlands, and other habitats. By tracking lemur numbers and species diversity, scientists can identify potential environmental threats, assess the effectiveness of conservation efforts, and guide sustainable land use practices. Lemurs have long held a prominent place in Malagasy culture, their presence woven into the fabric of folklore, mythology, and traditional practices. They are often seen as symbols of good luck, wisdom, and the connection between humans and the natural world. Lemurs have also found their way into popular culture, appearing in films, books, and television shows. DreamWorks' animated film Madagascar brought lemurs to a global audience, while the book and film The Ai and the Tsararano shed light on the unique adaptations and conservation challenges faced by these remarkable primates. Lemurs face a multitude of conservation challenges, including habitat loss, fragmentation, and hunting. Madagascar's forests are rapidly disappearing due to deforestation for agriculture, timber extraction, and mining. This habitat loss not only reduces the available living space for lemurs, but also disrupts their movement patterns and access to food and water sources. Hunting for bushmeat remains a threat to some lemur species, particularly larger species like the indri and the sifaka. Local communities often rely on bushmeat for protein, and the lack of alternative livelihood options makes it difficult to curb hunting practices. Climate change poses an additional threat to lemurs, with rising temperatures and changing precipitation patterns altering their habitats and affecting their food sources. These changes can lead to increased stress, reduced reproductive success, and even population declines. Conservation efforts are underway to protect lemurs and their habitats. These efforts include establishing protected areas, creating national parks, reserves, and other protected areas to safeguard lemur populations and their habitat, community-based conservation, working with local communities to develop sustainable livelihood options and reduce reliance on hunting and deforestation, education and awareness, raising awareness about the importance of lemurs and their conservation among local communities, tourists, and policymakers, captive breeding programs, establishing captive breeding programs to ensure the survival of endangered lemur species and reintroduce them to the wild when feasible. Lemurs, with their inquisitive eyes, agile limbs, and captivating charm, are more than just fascinating creatures. They are integral components of Madagascar's unique biodiversity, playing vital roles in seed dispersal, pollination, and nutrient cycling. Their survival is essential for maintaining the health and balance of Madagascar's ecosystems. By supporting conservation efforts, raising awareness, and making informed choices as consumers, we can all play a role in protecting lemurs and ensuring their continued existence for future generations. Together, we can safeguard these remarkable primates and the precious ecosystems they call home.